Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to turn on Incognito Mode in YouTube application. On your mobile device you want to open YouTube application. Now tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, and now here you will see in this menu option turn on incognito. Let's tap it, and black message will appear at the bottom side of the screen that says that you are incognito now, and if you go to your profile it will say that you are in incognito mode. To turn off this mode you just have to tap turn off incognito and you will be back to your regular YouTube profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.